Welcome guys. Today we're going to look at how you can analyze your model. So let's get started. So we're going to go here in analysis, and we are going to go where it says building analysis. So we are going to go here on analysis again. Then in order to analyze your building, you have to go to do your building model check first. The building model check is very important before you go to building analysis. So go on building model check, make sure you have all these checked, all these boxes. Make sure you check all these boxes here. Once you are done with that, you can go on start, and it will start checking your building for errors, for any possible errors. So here you can see it's telling me that on story 4 I have repeated labels. So I have an error here of repeated labels on story 4. So, and over here on story 4, S1 and S2 are overlapping. So I have an overlapping slab here, if you can see, S1 and S2. So I will need to collect this. So I'll just close this, and I'll go and close. I'll go on story 4, and I will look for slab S1. So here, that slab there, I have two S1s here. If you can see, I have two S1s. So no wonder there it was telling me that they are overlapping. So I'm going to delete one. Then here it's telling me the following analysis result will be invalidated if you proceed within analysis. You want to continue, and I'll go on yes. I need to delete one slab there, so you can see I'm running with one slab. Then again I'll go to analysis. Here you can see, here go to building analysis, and I'll go to analysis here. So once you are here, you can see here there is an X. So if there is an X here, it means you haven't done your building analysis yet. So I'll go to building model check again, and I'll check all these for errors. So I'll go here and I'll go on start in order to check for any possible errors. Okay, now you can see I have no errors. Now it says number of errors 0. So I'll go on start, on close. So once you are done with all this, once you are done with your building model check, you can proceed to your building analysis. So before you proceed to your building analysis, make sure you check all these as well. You check all these. So if you have, for your building analysis to be successful, this X here, it has to be checked. You have to have a check there for it to be successful. If there is an X, it means your building analysis is, there is an error maybe in your building analysis, or maybe it has failed. So now here I'll go now on building analysis, and I'll check all these as well. I'll check all these, and I'll go on building analysis. So click on building analysis, and it will start analyzing your entire building. So this is how you can do your building analysis. So this is how we analyze our model. So it might just take it a few moments, so you can see it's still loading. Still loading over here. Just have to wait for it to finish. Still loading. Okay, that started column reinforcement design. So here to check all the stories. You just need to wait for it until it finishes everything. That started beam reinforcement design. So it's checking for the reinforcements. Okay, still going. You need to be patient and wait for it to finish. Okay, so now you can see over there it has written relative story drifts specifies the limits. So once this is here, you can just go on OK. Okay, you can also go here on close. You close this. Now you can see here your building analysis. There is a check over here. So this means that it was successful. Your building analysis was successful once you have this. So you can go here on close and it will open another window which is called the analytical model. This is where it will show you into your model. It's going to show you your model in wireframe. You can see. All right, once you have done all this, I'll go back to my story 4. You can see now that I'm done with this, I will want to see my design status to see if there are any members that are going to fail in my model. So we are going to go here on review. Here on review, you have to go on the design status. So click on the design status here. Here there is a menu which you look at. So when everything is green, it means your design is okay. So you can see that everything here is green, so the design is okay. So this is how you can check your model in ProtaStructures, your building model in ProtaStructure. So this is what I had for you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.